Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys Facebook notification setting, how to use. And in this video friends, I am going to tell you how to turn on marketplace notification setting on Facebook account. Friends, you want to use marketplace notification, and on your Facebook account friends, marketplace notification are not showing on your Facebook account. So how to show and use marketplace notification one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. So after turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook application, and you want to use marketplace notification. How to use? First of all guys, tap on your setting and privacy option, then tap on your Facebook setting. After turn on Facebook settings, so guys, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. Scroll down here and friends, we will tap in notification setting. After tap on notification friends, you can see comment notification, tag notification, reminder notification. Friends, you don't want to use, so you can turn off from right side. Friend request notification, people you may know notification, birthday notification. Friends, you can see your friend birthday. Today is your friend birthday and you don't want to use this notification, so you can turn off. After turn off, you cannot get notification, birthday notification you cannot get on your Facebook account. Group notification, video notification is here, events notification you can use it. Friends, marketplace notification we will tap here. Allow notification on Facebook you want to use, so you can on. After turn friends, you can see where you receive this notification: push, email, SMS. So you can on and you can off from right side. You don't want to use, so you can off. You want to use, so you can off. So friends, you can see these are notification about marketplace listing you are following or might be interested in. For an example, your friend Shahrukh and your friend name is Harsh. Suppose for any example friends, okay, so Harsh added 3 items for sale on marketplace, and you want to use notification, marketplace notification. After turn on friends, you can use marketplace notification on your Facebook account. So when someone will add any item for sale on your Facebook marketplace settings, so if you tap here, so you can check here, and if you tap here, so you can check here. So like that friends, you can use marketplace notification on your Facebook account, and you don't want to show marketplace notification. So friends, if you tap here notification settings, so you can turn off marketplace notification. If you tap here, your marketplace notification will off and you cannot use marketplace notification. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.